Little Ford Pop. It's just come in the shop. 55 Ford Popular. Obviously it's been customised in its life. And it is rusty. It looks nice. Mate, both that wing just moved. Oh, there we go. Oh, there you go, mate. There you go. Oh yeah. The Ford V6 3 litre, is it?
3 litre, yeah.
3 litre Ford Essex engine. It's tucked nicely in the. He's tucked it really far back, hasn't he?
Yeah, sits in there quite nice.
It's got what carburettor is that? Is that a Holly?
A Holly, yeah.
A 4-barrel Holly.
4-barrel Holly,
which is quite big for one of these V6s.
Yeah.
It's got tubular exhaust manifolds. It's got a massive radiator.
And it's got oil in it.
It's got oil in it.
Yeah. Of course, it's having wear too.
Yeah. It's come with a spare axle and a few spare gearboxes. Don't know what these wheels are called. What are these wheels called? Did you say Wolf Race? It's had water leaking through it, so there's a lot of rust.
But it's pretty much there.
That's a nice little touch there, isn't it? A little Ford badge.
Nice seats in it, a bit tatty on the driver's seat.
Are they Recaro seats, yeah?
Yeah, yeah. It's got all the gauge and everything in, a big rev counter on.
That's brilliant, mate. Tell them that's a nice car, man. Well, it's a nice project. Do you think we'll be able to get this to run?
Well, the engine's free.
The engine is free, you said?
I've just turned it by hand.
Do it, do it. Oh, that's a very good sign.
That's a very good sign.
Yeah.
That is a very good sign.
So it's a case of battery, checking the oil again, putting some water in it, checking for spark. Did you say you wanted to put oil in the cylinders?
Not now it's moved so free.
Yeah.
I mean, with no effort,
Yeah.
it ain't seized up, has it?
Do you think you'll have an oil pressure gauge in the car?
I would say so. I think it's a turnkey.
You reckon it's a turkey motor?
I reckon we put the key in, turn it in the battery, and I reckon it'll go.
When do you have time to test it with that?
Well, this week now I'm looking at like Friday.
Because we could do a live stream on YouTube, a live stream effort to see if this motor will run. What do you reckon?
I reckon Friday this will fire up.
Yeah, to do a live stream attempt of it. Do you fancy that?
Yeah, yeah.
Would you guys fancy that? If we did a live stream attempt at starting this little Ford Pop V6 motor that hasn't run for 10 years. It's very likely that it will run because the engine is free and it looks like the engine looks alright. Anyway, you know, everything's there. If you fancy a live stream this Friday. What's the date today, mate? 13/14 today. It's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all you mothers out there. And yeah, let us know if you fancy a live stream for this. And also to see the work that Whitey here, the maestro, is doing. This is where we're at. He's now working on the outer seal and the rear end, basically, where it meets with the inner arch, etc., etc. So the inner A-post is welded in, as well as this bracket here. So we're looking good. Whitey's fettling some parts there. It looks like the A-post, the outer A-post. Thanks for looking at our live stream the other day, and thanks for your support. Check our merch downstairs. We've got mugs coming in now, thanks to Jeff, and we've got stickers. We've got just our usual stuff, our CD. Yeah, if you look at the links below, you can see our merchandise. So, live stream Friday, potentially, guys. Let us know in the comments, and I'll do another video to confirm if we're doing it or not, on what time. To have a look and see if this bad boy is going to start. See you in a bit.